is Santa Cruz, and they even have a subway. They have like huge infrastructure here. It's like a city. We are getting in, like police controlling the traffic, the transit traffic. But whatever, good to go. Santa Cruz is a little bit less touristic, but they have again a lot of infrastructure, services, and places to eat, but with a much less touristic kind of tone to it, which is totally fine, and I love it. And today we're gonna try the furama. That is Asian food. It's a pity, tucan, or I don't know how to say that in English actually. It's closed today, will be closed tomorrow. I don't know why, but this is a buffet with sushi. So they have sushi. It's really nice. It's really nice. I think it will be delicious.
Obrigado. De nada. Hombre.
¿Cómo estás? It's really nice. So I think it will be pretty good. So guys, I think it will be delicious. It looks great. I'm gonna try the soup. Wow, actually delicious. Man, one more. Really good. Really nice. Really nice. Woo!